India's journey in the realm of supercomputing has witnessed significant strides, particularly under the National Supercomputing Mission, NSM, initiated in 2015. Although the country has installed 15 supercomputers as part of this mission, challenges persist, and the revelation by Union Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology, Rajeev Chandrasekhar, brings a new perspective to India's approach. India's supercomputing landscape. India embarked on its supercomputing journey in the 1980s, initially driven by the imperative of advancing weather forecasting capabilities. However, the trajectory witnessed a more pronounced commitment under the Narendra Modi government, marked by the launch of the National Supercomputing Mission, NSM, in 2015. This strategic initiative aimed to weave a network connecting research and academic institutions through a comprehensive supercomputing grid. Despite these endeavors, India faces a global lag, with only 3 supercomputers featured in the top 500 and none in the top 100 as of November 2022. The imperative for greater private sector involvement is emphasized by policymakers, recognizing it as pivotal for elevating India's position in the competitive arena of global supercomputing. The concerted efforts under the NSM signify a proactive approach to bridge this gap and position India as a formidable player in the dynamic landscape of supercomputing technologies. The global supercomputing race. India's foray into supercomputing. Propelled by the National Supercomputing Mission, NSM, showcases significant strides. However, a discernible gap persists on the global stage. Minister Chandrasekhar's perspective amplifies the need for a paradigm shift, urging India to transition from a research institution-driven model to one more aligned with industry-driven supercomputing, as observed in leading nations. This shift, if realized, holds the promise of fostering greater commercialization and technological advancement. Such a transformation is deemed crucial for India to assert its competitiveness on the global supercomputing landscape, bridging the existing disparity in rankings and positioning the country as a formidable contender in the relentless global supercomputing race. Chandrasekhar's perspective. Union Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology, Rajeev Chandrasekhar, provides a nuanced perspective on India's supercomputing trajectory. Chandrasekhar highlights a crucial evolution in India's approach, emphasizing a departure from a race to showcase prowess to a more serious and committed stance under the Narendra Modi government. This shift reflects a recognition of the changing dynamics in the global supercomputing landscape. Notably, Chandrasekhar advocates for a significant transition in India's supercomputing paradigm, urging a move away from the predominantly research institution-driven model. Instead, he underscores the importance of embracing an industry-driven approach, akin to practices observed in technologically advanced nations. Chandrasekhar contends that this strategic shift could pave the way for greater commercialization and technological advancements in the field of supercomputing, essential elements for India to truly compete on the global stage. His perspective serves as a call to action, encouraging a proactive reorientation of India's supercomputing strategy to align with contemporary trends and propel the nation towards a more competitive position in the evolving technological landscape. Applications and impact. The applications and impact of supercomputers in India are diverse and far-reaching, contributing significantly to various domains. Primarily, these powerful computing systems play a pivotal role in advancing weather forecasting, enabling more accurate predictions and simulations critical for disaster management. Moreover, supercomputers contribute to the forefront of artificial intelligence and big data analytics, empowering scientists and researchers with unparalleled computational capabilities. The optimization of investments in supercomputing is evident, as it minimizes redundancies and duplication of efforts, enhancing efficiency in scientific endeavors. Beyond this, the impact extends to promoting sustainability, as supercomputers aid in formulating strategies for climate adaptation, monitoring environmental conditions, and fostering sustainable agricultural practices. In essence, the applications of supercomputing in India span critical areas, driving innovation and progress while addressing some of the nation's toughest challenges across diverse sectors. Future plans and collaborations. India's National Supercomputing Mission, NSM, initiated in 2015, sets ambitious goals to propel the nation into a leadership position on the global supercomputing stage. The future plans outlined under the NSM encompass a strategic expansion of capabilities in critical areas such as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, smart infrastructure, and climate change. To realize these aspirations, a fundamental departure from the prevailing research institution-driven approach is deemed crucial. The key to unlocking India's supercomputing potential lies in encouraging substantial private sector participation and optimizing investments in this cutting-edge technology. By fostering collaborations and partnerships between the public and private sectors, India aims to leverage diverse expertise and resources, paving the way for enhanced supercomputing capabilities. This holistic approach not only signifies a commitment to technological advancement, but also positions India to make a more significant impact in shaping the future of global supercomputing. Challenges and opportunities. India's supercomputing landscape stands at the crossroads, encountering both challenges and promising opportunities. The predominant research institution-driven perspective has posed a notable hurdle, diverging from the industry-centric models observed globally. Additionally, the reliance on foreign imports due to infrastructure limitations presents a logistical challenge for sustained progress. However, within these challenges lie significant opportunities, notably within the framework of the National Supercomputing Mission, NSM. The NSM envisions fostering a domestic ecosystem for assembling supercomputer components, a move that could reduce dependence on imports and enhance self-sufficiency. To capitalize on these opportunities and overcome challenges, India must actively encourage private sector involvement in supercomputing initiatives. Moreover, strategic optimization of investments becomes imperative to navigate the complexities of this dynamic technological landscape. By addressing these challenges head-on and embracing the opportunities outlined by the NSM, India has the potential to not only overcome existing hurdles but also emerge as a formidable player in the global supercomputing arena. In conclusion, India's supercomputing journey reflects a proactive approach under the NSM, with 15 installations showcasing progress. Minister Chandrasekhar's perspective highlights the need for a paradigm shift towards industry-driven supercomputing, aligning with global trends. The applications and impact of supercomputing in India are vast, promising transformative solutions to critical challenges. However, challenges such as infrastructure limitations and a research institution-driven approach persist. To overcome these, India must encourage private sector participation, optimize investments, and continue its commitment to the NSM. In doing so, India can not only join but also thrive in the global supercomputing race, marking its presence at the forefront of technological innovation. Click here to watch why UK falling behind in supercomputing race with China and Russia. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.